I took this flash drive and shoved it into a hole in this brick wall. And then I used this cement to fill in the hole around the flash drive to make it harder to remove. And then I posted a video of the wall online as the first clue to a scavenger hunt for a box full of Christmas gifts that I buried in the forest. And if someone went to the wall and plugged the flash drive into their computer, they would just see one file that says scavenger hunt rules. But if they looked closely at the first letter of each line of the rules, they would find the next clue, which said, look behind Mr. T's chain. And then of course the scavenger hunters would know to go to this Mr. T mural and look behind the chain to find a link to a Google form where they would then have to unscramble a bunch of words and then unscramble those words into a sentence that said, look up on the light pole nearest the newest Light the Beam mural. And if they went to the newest Light the Beam mural and looked up on the light pole, then they'd see another link to a Google form that showed them 2 photos and said to go where the photos were taken. The photos were taken on top of this parking garage. So if they went to the top of the parking garage and went to the exact corner where I took the photos, they would then find the next clue, which was an image of a free little library with an arrow pointing to a specific book. And if they went to that exact free little library and looked in that specific book, they would find the words go, here, and dig circled on the first couple of pages. And then on the following pages, there was a bunch of circled numbers and periods and a comma and a dash, which were actually the GPS coordinates of where the box was buried. And once they went to those GPS coordinates and dug up the container, they would solve the scavenger hunt. And this group of siblings solved the entire scavenger hunt in 90 minutes. Next year, I'll have to make it even harder.